guys, it is me, Stace. I am back again today with another Cricut Explore video. We are also doing our Make It a Monday project. And today we're making this really simple Thinking of You card. There's the outside there, and then we have the inside. Also comes with a coordinating envelope. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on Sign In. When you see your name at the very top, this verifies that you were logged in. On this page, we're going to scroll down until we get to cards. And I do apologize. Design Space today is giving me all kinds of issues. You can see I'm trying to scroll down. It's not letting me. So we're going to give it a second to load up. There we go. So we're going to scroll down and go to cards. We're going to click on View All. Leave a comment below if your Design Space today is acting up, and today is Monday, August 13th. It already went ahead and did two downloads, I guess. All right, upper right-hand corner in the card section, we're going to type in the word Fathers, and then click on Enter. And the card we are making is this one here. It's the Happy Father's Day mini card. We're going to click on that. This brings up the preview window. We're going to click on Customize. All right, so we have the envelope. We're going to move that out of the way. Then we have this piece here. I'm going to separate these other layers. I don't want this one, so I'm going to click on that and then choose the X to delete it. This one I want to detach the letter, so I'm going to click on it, right-click, and choose Detach. It's not letting me do that yet. It said all day today. It's just been really, really weird. All right, so while that's doing what it's doing, left-hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on the text box. I'm going to type in the word Thinking. All right, I'm going to change the text. So I'm going to have that word selected. Top toolbar where the font is, I'm going to click on that. And the font I chose was Art Deco. You can see this thing is here. It's really acting up today. All right, so let's go down and find Art Deco. I chose the first one, so I'm going to click on that, and hopefully the font will change for us. And it did. We're going to right-click on that and choose Duplicate. I'm going to change out this text as well, so I'm going to double-click on that, delete the word Thinking, and add in the word Of instead. Again, the same thing. I'm going to right-click on that and choose Duplicate, double-click on that and change the word Of and make it say the word You with an exclamation point. Now I want to change all these to right, so I'm going to click on the word Thinking, go to the right-hand side toolbar, click on the text there and change that from cut to right. Do that for every other word as well. Change them from cut to right. And lastly, we'll do this one. All right, now hopefully we can go back over here and right-click and choose Detach. Yes, now it's working. All right, so we can remove that text. I'm going to bring this text over and put it on these banners. So I'm going to use the arrows to make it smaller, then use a circle to rotate it. Just get it to where it's going to fit. I need to right-click on it and choose Move to Front. And get it to where it's going to fit inside that box. Okay, so I think that one looks pretty good. Let's do the same with the word Of. Make it small. I'm going to right-click on it and choose Move to Front. Bring this over and make it shorter. Rotate it a little bit. Put that hopefully in the middle. And lastly, we'll do the word You. Make it smaller. I'm going to right-click on it again and choose Move to Front, rotate it some, and bring that one over. All right, so I think that my word Of is a little bit uneven. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to take my mouse, my left mouse button across everything. I'm going to right-click on that and choose Attach. And that attached the text to that piece here. Now I do want to create a mat for the inside of the card. Left-hand side toolbar, we're going to click on Shapes. I'm going to click on a square. I'm going to bring the square over. I'm going to line this square up on the bottom below the square mark and before this piece here, the left side of that card. Just bring it over there. I'm going to unlock it and just make it fit in there. I'm going to make this be the same color blue. Right-hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on Color Sync. I can see the black square here. I'm going to drag that to the blue layer. And we'll see that change. I do want to add like a little thought bubble here. So left-hand side toolbar, we're going to click on Images. In the search box, we're going to type in the word Thinking. and then click on enter. And the one I chose is all the way at the bottom, and it is this one here. It is from Word Bubbles. We're going to click on that. Bottom right, click on insert images. So we have that one here. I'm going to right click on that and choose duplicate. I do want 2 of them. I'm going to right click on it again and choose ungroup. Remove the shadow. I'm going to bring this one over, make it small. Bring it onto my blue piece here. And this is for the inside of the card. I'm going to change that to where it's going to draw or write. So I have it selected. Right hand side toolbar again. I'm going to click on the cloud and change it to write. I'm going to click on the cloud here. Hold down shift on my keyboard. Click on the blue piece. Right click on that and choose attach. So now that is attached to that piece there. Do the same for this one. I'm going to right click on it and choose ungroup. Keep the top layer and delete the shadow layer. Make it be smaller. I'm going to make this one be right as well. So up the right hand side toolbar, change that from cut to right. I want to put this on the envelope, but before I can attach it to the envelope, I need to detach the score marks. So we're going to right click on the envelope and choose detach. Click on this piece. I need to right click on it again and choose move to front. I'm going to rotate it some. Bring it over here where I want it. I want it at the bottom corner of the envelope like that. Alright, so I think that looks pretty good. Take your mouse across all the pieces, right click on that again and choose attach. So now we attached a cloud to the envelope, a cloud to this piece, and our text to that piece. Upper right hand corner, we're going to click on make it. And you can see this is a rather small card. I mean, it measures about 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. So we need a small piece of white, a small piece of black, the piece here for the envelope and the text, and the piece here for the inside. I'm going to click on continue, cut these out with the table, and put our card together. Alrighty guys, all of our pieces are cut out. I'm first going to work on the envelope. I'm going to finger press on all the score marks. And take my bone folder, just give that a good crease. Alright, I'm going to grab my glue. I'm using art glitter glue. Put some adhesive on the flap. Bring this one down, give it a rub, and then put adhesive on this flap here. Again, just kind of push that, let the glue make contact. You can also take your bone folder to that. Alright, so the envelope is done. Super cute. And now we have the card. So we have the card base, and again, I'm going to first finger press on the score mark. Really cute size card. All right, so we have that piece, then we have our pieces here. So we have the blue, that's going to go on top of the black. Flip that over, put some glue on it. Then I'll go right here. Okay, I'm going to grab some foam squares, so the back of all of these. And I'm going to use 2 on each one. I think that'll be fine. Okay. I'm going to give them a squish. Take the backing off. It's a really simple card, right? It's going to go on top of that one. And you can make it say anything. I just chose thinking of you. It could be, you know, get well friend. Alright, that one's going to go there. And then our last one. It's going to go on the bottom. I like how the blue shows behind that. Alright, let's take this on the front. Get that in the middle. Perfect. Now we have the piece for the inside. It also has a little think bubble on there. That's going to go on the inside like that. Okay, so there's the finished card. Here's our envelope. There you have it. Isn't that super cute? Again, there's the card there. Here's the other one here with the other envelope. Now if you want to win the card kit for this card, go ahead to my blog and leave me a comment under this blog post saying you want to receive a card kit or enter to win the card kit. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.